The host of Nigerian Idols is suave, debonair. He's entertaining, he's fun, he's chilled, he's easygoing, he's user-friendly, he's fun to be with. He's your guy.
What up? I go by the name DJ Sose, aka the Tattoo Face DJ. I'm a judge on Nigerian Idol.
Hey, what's up? My name's Obi Asika. I'm a judge on Nigerian Idols 2021.
Hey, what's up? My name is Shay Shay, the original big girl. You understand? Hi, I'm your judge. People ask me what music means to me. I hate that question, but it's my life. It's everything that makes Shay Shay.
Music is life. Always has been, always will be. I'm Nigerian, I'm Igbo. Music is in my DNA. It's from my culture from day one until the day we're done.
Music is heartbeat. Music is everything. Because that's what wakes me up and takes me to bed at night.
Music to me means relaxation, it means unwinding, it means expression, it means cutting beyond the surface to something so much deeper.
Now that I'm a judge on Nigerian Idols, I think fans, people, maybe get to see different sides of my personality. I'm gonna keep it as real as possible. You know me, no cap ever. So we're keeping it 100.
In one word, how do I feel about being the host? Excited.
That's how I feel.
Expect to see me being real. So I'm looking for authentic talent that it's actually comfortable in its own skin. And when I see it, I will know it.
Think about it. Be real, bring your A game, and perform to us by making us believe every single night you step on the stage, this is my last chance. That's all.
This is Nigerian Idol.
Nigerian Idol.
Nigerian Idol.
Nigerian Idol.
Nigerian Idol is proudly sponsored by Biggie Drinks, Nigeria's favorite.